Good morning, students. All of you are welcome. Today we can discuss about the sign convention for reflection of spherical mirror. Sign convention for reflection of spherical mirrors. Now we are going to consider a concave mirror or convexity. Here, this is the pole. This one is its principal axis. Just like when we draw graph, here we take origin. Here origin is the point of intersection of x and y axis. From this point we measure all distance. Similarly, all the distance we measure from pole. All the distance we measure from pole. All distance we take from pole. Second point you want to remember about the sign convention. First one is all distance from where we take from pole, just as origin. Second point you want to remember, light rays always travels from left to right, or object is always placed on the left side. Here we place object. Always object placed on the left side of the mirror. Left side of the mirror, or light travels from left to right. So light from left to right, or object in the left side. Distance from pole to left side. Distance from pole to the left side we take as a negative. Which side? Left side value is taken as a negative. Distance to here, right side of the pole. That is distance to the right side is taken as a positive. Distance to left is negative and distance to right is a positive. All the height we measure above this principal axis. Above this principal axis is a positive. Above principal axis, height we take as a positive. And for real image, that will be below this, below the principal axis. Below this principal axis, that height below principal axis. Below principal axis, that will take that height is taken as a negative. Once again, when you consider about sign convention, what are the things you want to remember? All distance measured from pole. This point, just like origin in a graph. In a graph, left of this is negative, right of the origin is positive, and above this one is positive, and below this one is negative. Here also just like left side value is all when we take from pole negative, right side value we take from pole take positive, outside values take positive, and the downside of this principal axis is negative. Okay? These are the things you want to remember. That is all distance taken from pole, left to right like, or object must be in the left side, and left side negative value, and the right side it will be positive based on pole. Above principal axis positive height, below principal axis it is these are the things you want to remember when you consider about new Cartesian sign convention. Now, based on this, you know, if you place here the object, suppose this AB is an object. Now, the distance from pole to this object, we used to represent with the letter U. Distance from pole to object. Always used to represent with the letter U. And if it is in the left side, always we used to keep here, so it is negative. And this is the image A dash D dash of the object AB. Then the distance from pole to image, that we take as the letter V. We used to represent with the letter V, and here also it is a negative. And we know F is the focal length. By using or by connecting these three, we get or we can find out any of the one value if we know other two values. For that we use this mirror formula. What is actually mirror formula? It is 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by M. This is the mirror formula. By using this relation, we can find out any one of the values if we know other two. This is applicable for spherical mirrors. This is the relation 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by M. When we put the numerical values in this relation, when we put the numerical values, example 5 cm or 8 cm or 11 cm, etc., we want to consider the sign it is positive or negative. We should apply that. We should apply in that case. Now, another term, this we want to know is magnification. Another term which we want to know about is the magnification. See, suppose this object is 2 cm and the image we got is 3 cm. Then the size of image is larger than object. How much size of image is more or larger than object? To represent that, we use another term. It is magnification. Magnification, it is a ratio of magnification. It is a ratio of height of image or image height. We used to represent with a H dash. Image height by object height H. That is magnification is a number. So that number M is equal to magnification simply used to represent with M is equal to height of image H dash divided by height of object H. It is also equal to this magnification is also we can represent. This magnification also we can represent with image distance and object distance. So M is also equal to minus V by Q. If magnification is taken with the height, then it is H dash by H. If we take with the image distance and object distance, then M is equal to minus of V by Q. Minus of V by Q. When the magnification we get is negative, got negative. Then what does it mean? It means the image we got is a real one. That means the image we get on the screen. If the magnification we got is positive, if the magnification we got is positive, what does it mean? It means the image we got is virtual one. That means we cannot get it on a screen. That is the difference between magnification. If negative, it is real and inverted image. If magnification is positive, it is virtual and erect one. Here real and inverted, and here positive means virtual and erect image is getting. Here inverted, here erect one is we getting. Now we know two equations. One mirror equation, which is the mirror equation. Mirror equation is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. The next one is which magnification. M is equal to x I divided by h, that is equal to minus p by u. These two relations you want to study very clearly. Now our work is to work out problems with these equations. Among two problems given, first one is a convex mirror used as a rear view mirror. A convex mirror used as a rear view mirror of radius of curvature 3 meter. Radius of curvature 3 meter. And a bus at a 5 meter from the mirror. That means a bus is at a 5 meter from the mirror. Then you want to find position of image and its size. Position of image and its size. Suppose you see, first given radius of curvature of the convex mirror. Radius of curvature of the convex mirror R is equal to 3 meter. Is it plus or minus? At first we are going to apply sign. It is about convex mirror. For a convex mirror, see, its radius is coming here, so it is positive. We know what is image is always on the left side, hence u is minus. U equal to minus 5 meter. Now we know focal length is the half of radius of curvature. F is equal to r by 2. So r is 3 meter. Hence focal length is 1.5 meter. This plus. Now we are going to apply mirror formula. 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. From this 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. See, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. F is how much? That is 1.5 minus 1 by u minus 5. Now again 1 by v is equal to 1 by 1.5 minus 5 minus minus 5 minus it is plus 1 by 5. That is equal to 1 by v is equal to, we can cross multiply and simplify. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1.5 into this 1.5 divided by 1.5 into 5. Now take the reciprocal and simplify. V is equal to how much? 1.5 into 5, that is 7.5. divided by these two adding. That is 6, 4 and 5. That is 2 upside down decimal, downside down decimal. So this decimal after removing we get 75 divided by 6, 4 and 5 now becomes 65. When we divide 75 with the 65, we get how much? We get the value as 1.15 meter. That is imagine we got at a distance of 1.15 meter. Now we want to find out the size of image. Size means image is how much longer than object. So for that we can use m is equal to minus v by u. That is v is 1 minus of 1.15 divided by u. That is equal to u is how much? 5. That is minus 5. Now minus by minus it will become plus. Now its value is that is 1.15 divided by 5. Minus by minus it becomes plus. And its value when we simplify we will get it as 0.23 meter. Here the unit is also not magnification. Here only height of image is getting. Its height is how much? 0.23 meter. That means image size becomes smaller in this case. Now we can do one more numerical problem. Okay? See. Next problem, an object 4 centimeter in size. An object 4 centimeter in size. That means height of object is given 4 centimeter. An object 4 centimeter in size placed 25 centimeter from a concave mirror. Placed 25 centimeter. Object distance u is equal to 25 centimeter. Placed 25 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. F is equal to 15 centimeter. Focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find nature and size of image. Once again question. An object 4 centimeter in size placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find nature and size of image. See, here the object height is given. We know what is always object is upward. So it is possible. And object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. Object is placed at what height? 25 centimeter. You know always object is in the left side. So it is minus. And for a concave mirror, here is its focus. For a concave mirror, here is its focus. So it is a minus. Now, what we want to find out? We want to find its image distance and its size. See, we can apply the equation at first. Mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Here 1 by u. U is how much? Minus 25 plus 1 by v. You don't know. Is equal to 1 by f. F is how much? F is minus 15. Minus 15. To get this 1 by v, we can bring this term to this side. So 1 by v is equal to, or you can get more easily to simplify this equation directly. That is easy for you. See, from this 1 by v is equal to, otherwise you will confuse with the minus. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. See, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f, how much? Minus 50. And minus 1 by u. U is how much? Minus 25. See, 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 15. Minus by minus, this term become plus 1 by 25. Now we can find out its value by cross multiplying and simplifying. See, one by v is equal to, we can cross multiply these two. 1 into 25 this way. That is 1 into 25 plus minus 15 into 1. That becomes a minus 15. Divided by 15 into 25. That means minus 15 into minus 25. Minus 15 into 25. Now we can take a more. 1 by v is equal to, by this we get it 10. Divided by 15 into 25, that is equal to 15 times 25, 375. Minus 375. Now take the reciprocal. When we take the reciprocal, v is equal to minus 375 divided by 10. To divide with the 10, put a decimal from right to left on place. That is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. This is the image distance. Image distance is v is equal to minus 375 10. That is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Now we got at what distance we get in image. Now one more things we want to find here, that is height of image. We know magnification A is equal to h dash divided by h. That is equal to minus v by u. Here we can't find out h dash. Height of image h dash is equal to minus v into this h will go up. So h by u. Minus we can keep here. What is the value of v? V is minus 37.5. Minus 37.5 into h. H how much? 4 centimeter by u. U is 25. Once again, what are the terms here given? V given, U given, and okay. This 4 is the height of object. By simplifying these terms, that is that minus 37.5 into 4 divided by 25, we get the value as that is that 375. Here on decimal, if we avoid the decimal, just this will get us 15 times. That means 370, 375, 25 will come 15 times. And then put a decimal. Now 15 into 4 is equal to 60. And then give one decimal. That means you get as 6 centimeter is the height of 6 centimeter is the height of image. Height of object is how much? Only 4 centimeter. Here height of image is 6 centimeter. That means it is enlarged or magnified, and the image we getting minus, that means on the side, same side of the object, so it is real. So real, magnified and inverted image. What type of image we getting? Real, magnified and inverted image is given. Now 2 more questions given for you. Let us discuss about that also. Next question for you. Find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. Find the focal length of a convex mirror. Its radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. That means R is 32 centimeter. You want to find the focal length. At first you want to see, is it positive or negative? See, for a convex mirror, this is a convex mirror. Here comes its center of curvature. This distance is radius. This is pole. This just like a graph. This side value is positive. Hence, radius of curvature is positive. So R is equal to positive 32 centimeter. We know R is equal to 2F or F is equal to R by 2. It is equal to 32 by 2. That is equal to 16 centimeter with the positive sign. So focal length of this convex mirror we got as 16 centimeter. One more problem also given for you. That is, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified images of an object placed 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? A concave mirror, second one is, a concave mirror forms 3 times magnified image. 3 times magnified image means M is equal to 3 times. See, magnification is 3 times. Hence, M is equal to minus 3. We can take or minus 3. We want to find out where does the image is moving. Where does the image is moving? We know M is equal to minus V by U. Here magnification is given, that is equal to M. 3 times magnified image means it can be positive or negative. That means a concave mirror can form magnified image with the positive value and also negative value. And so M we can take as 3 is equal to minus V by U. U is equal to minus 10. So V is equal to, from this minus of minus, we can get V is equal to 30 centimeter. If the V is equal to 30 centimeter, that means that 30 centimeter, if it is virtual, it is V is equal to 30 centimeter. If we take M as minus 3, then we get as this minus 30 centimeter. If this is for virtual image, if it is a virtual image is virtual, then we get plus 30. If M we take as minus 3 times, then we get V as minus 30 centimeter. So both case we can consider. Okay, now we discussed about 2 important terms, that is on mirror formula, and another one is magnification. And which is mirror formula? 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. And another one is magnification. M is equal to height of image by height of object. Okay, with this can find up